I can't hold my excitement here because I had watched something not so long ago where in Sicily, they were utilising the rocks from the sea and it had seaweed and it had all of those algae and they were putting it in their dishes in order to flavour it. And they would take the rocks back out and then they'd put it back in the ocean so that it could reseed.
Yeah.
And that added the flavour. And I was so curious and now we get to actually experience that in this dish.
This is Ed, a marine biologist specialising in aquaculture.
Right now is showing us how to attach seedlings.
And even after years in aquaculture, the ocean still surprises him.
That's cleaning up the ocean, that's sustainability all put into one.
So we're diving in to learn from the people who love the ocean, seeing new species, new farms, new stories, and so much more. And of course, we are tasting the seafood. So come explore, laugh, get splashed, as this is life in aquaculture. Our journey starts here, Bergen, Norway, where the mountains hold the city close and the ocean breathes life into every day.
Hi, Mariann. Nice meeting you.
Here,
Welcome.
seafood comes straight from the cold northern waters. So in this episode, we're about to experience Bergen in its purest form, tasting not just the food, but the nature that creates it.
Hi, my name is Mariann, and today I will take you on my food tour, fra fjord til munn, as it is called in Norwegian. And it's all about foraging, being out in the nature, getting the history from the locals, and being part of making the food so that you can learn the recipes and methods and learn about the different shells and things that we have on the menu. And of course, I have produce from my brothers that dive for and deliver shells and seafood, very super local and super fresh. So, not very many crab.
Oh, they're getting out. What's the best way to handle these?
So I just take them up like this.
Ah, right.
To hold them with both hands, it's the best if you're a beginner. But also...
I'm definitely a beginner.
Yeah.
Is it okay if I can try?
Yes, of course.
Maybe with the one that's already caught. No, I'll take one.
You can,
Just
if you
like
just
this?
hold both of the backer legs.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
And if they get
right.
scared or they can drop
Yep.
its legs. Do you want to see the cats? You can just put it in the bucket. Look, fisk, Lily. Lily, se.
And they go up.
Yeah, it's just like the foxes. So proud, running away. Don't take my cat.
She's able to trap a variety of fish and sea life, and some we've never seen before. Is this really a dragonfish?
And what's that?
This one here, it's called, I don't know the English name. In Norwegian, we call it knurr. And knurr...
That is...
and
way.
the good thing is that they don't get very big. So
It
if
never
you want to...
ceases to amaze me, the different types of species of fish. Seeing something like that and quite odd looking, still pretty cute, but...
And it also, it
Very
blows
unique.
up, you see?
It's quite similar to a puffer fish, but almost like a goat fish, but also almost like, I don't know, it's just a mixture of different species. It looks like a dragon. Yeah. He's cool.
Do you want to see when I put it in the water?
Now Mariann takes us to go foraging in this incredible part of the property.
Wind comes from the south today, so it's a little bit more windy and crispy on this side. Is that we need to find periwinkles. Quite many, just here. Only need like a few each, so we don't like to harvest too much.
That's what I'm looking for?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And if the bigger, the better. Started to die, but it's still edible.
Yeah.
So we can, hopefully we can use some of it.
So seaweed have something called a holdfast, which is that there, and so it attaches itself to rocks, and that way it doesn't float away. But we're going to be harvesting a little bit of this today. It's a bit of brown algae or risotong. Is that how you say it? And apologies to any Norwegians watching this. I'm sorry, but yeah. You're going to be harvesting a tiny
Maybe
bit of
it
this.
is the, you know, I think actually it maybe it's the blæretang.
Okay,
Yeah.
I'm not even going to try that.
So, the moment you've all been waiting for, the cooking of the food.
So I will just put in the butter, put the onions in, and then we will just...
Just straight in,
yeah,
it's fine.
Yeah.
I think that this is how we should be eating. We should learn how to catch and kill our food. And I think for sustainability, it's really important. Yeah.
But we will kill it the best way.
Yeah.
We will take the knife and cut it in two
Yeah.
between its eyes, and then
Okay.
it will die instantly.
Like go in.
Yeah. Yeah. So now we will put in white wine and
Yeah.
water and some horse mussels,
Ooh,
and then we
nice.
will make it boil for as long as possible. Now you can
the whole
put
lot?
that one in, yeah. And then I will put in like the same amount of water. So I just have just cold paper.
Wow.
So these are the horse mussels that we will put in the soup. You'll see like small snails growing on it. And this is a type of shell. We call it rur. They have tentacles that comes out and eat algae. And here you can see quite many very small things. If you want to hold that one. Very many, if they buy shells like this, they take them home and wash them. But for me, it's like washing away the best flavors.
Yeah.
Because this is a part of all the flavors. So, and also if you wash it with fresh water, the naturally salted water will be removed.
That makes so much sense. And I'm quite used to cleaning mussels, but
Yeah.
I'm so glad that we're able to utilize
And of
everything
course,
and keep the salt.
Some places you need to do it,
Yeah.
but when you know that it's fresh and
It's
alive,
clean
and
water.
yeah,
Yeah.
so you can just put it in just like that.
See the coralline algae there. And what, like, sorry, I can't hold my excitement here because I had watched something not so long ago where
You saw this part at the start of the episode. And I know you guys want to see the barbecue. But before then, I want to show you something special. This is Mariann's property that you can stay at. And while we show you her property, here's a bit of Mariann's background growing up around the sea.
From when I was very little, we were always out in our boat or by the shore. My grandparents lived by the shore on a desert island on the west coast. I grew up with that, and from when I was 5, I was allowed to go out in the boat together with my brothers. Then they were like 7 and 9, and they had their own like company, and they called it fiskegreiene in Norwegian. Directly translated, that's like fishing stuff. So we sold the fish, we had the fish, put it on a trolley, and went from neighbor to neighbor and sold the fish. And then we saved the money and used it on new fishing gear and some candy, of course. And then it went that way. And of course, all our neighbors and my parents' friends, they were like, oh my God, your kids are out there alone. You need to go out and watch them. And my mother were like, low shoulders, and it's okay. I trust them. I know they're fine. I want them to, she wanted us to grow up that way. And to have it very like relaxing and to do our thing. So I think that's why all of us have become like, I work with the seafood and tourism and this place here. And my 2 older brothers, Knut, he works with the seafood, producing and selling and diving. And Rune, the one in the middle, he's an underwater engineer. So all of us have gone back to the ocean element. And this is the couple that built the house. So they are here protecting you. It's Christine and Severine. He was the fisherman and she was the lady of the house. And as my grandfather said, she was a hell of a good rower. She had her very small wooden boat and was rowing it all the way into the city.
Wow, that is insane. People back then were just built so differently. So here we are. We're gonna start it off by trying our first food.
So this is the Norwegian flat oyster.
Yes.
Is that correct?
Hope you like it.
It's quite nice because it's really small. It's not as gooey as other oysters like in Asia. And I think that's what puts people off from eating oysters.
Also appreciate the differences. You see, as I normally see that it's the same as with us humans. None of
Yeah.
them are the same. This clam here, in Norwegian it's called kushell. Directly translated, that means cow shell. For me, it's not a very nice name. In English, it's called mahogany clam. I think that sounds so much better,
Yeah.
and I want them to change the Norwegian name.
Upper class shell.
If you want to hold it, and if you want to take a closer look, you want to guess how old that clam is.
This is cheating a little bit because I'm a marine biologist.
Yeah.
So, and you can see the growth ring. So how you can tell for any bivalve, shellfish, is their growth rings. It's not 100 years or so.
My guess, because I haven't studied it, would be that it's around 90 years.
90 years.
Yeah.
There you go.
The oldest mahogany clam that has been found was found on Iceland. I think it was in 2013. More than 500 years. The older they get, the stronger the muscle gets. So needs to use quite a lot of force. So these are being served at the finest sushi restaurants in Japan. So it's a highly rated produce. So here you can see. Remove like the gut. And all this here, all the gut from this clam for bait. So I just slice it in thin slices. I will just put on some lemon juice. So all the meat from the clam is covered in the lemon juice for a few minutes. I make like a light ceviche, virgin oil, some pepper.
Ed had to go and make an important phone call. So you have me trying out the food for you. And I can tell you right now, it was spectacular. There is something just amazing about eating something raw straight from the ocean. Oh, you can taste it. It tastes like Norway.
Take the knife in there, point it towards the center, flip it over and push the knife down so that I don't divide the muscle in two. So now you can see it's so fresh that the muscle is still pumping. And around here you can see the gills. They lay, you'll find them in the black spots, the organ, in the gills. It is actually eyes.
Eyes.
Yeah, so they have eyes all the way around. And if you have, if you want to focus, it's really nice to see it up close because they are shining. So my trick for rinsing them, I take my finger between the kidney here and the muscle and do like this. And it's a thin hin covering the muscle. So taking everything off in one movement and then removing the connector. There's my... So after, we'll just grill them on high temperature on one side.
So here we are, we're ready to barbecue. Look at these scallops. They look spectacular. Don't forget about the periwinkles. We're gonna try that too. These look real nice. After that, we are going to try the langoustines, the Norwegian lobster. Here we go. Let's see how it tastes.
You can really smell that, the caramelized butter, but also the smell of the sea as well. I'll do a little bit without lemon. That is incredible. The tastiest scallop I've ever eaten. Remove the foot. And then, oh no, let's see.
And it's not a thing that like, it's, you need to eat a lot to get the...
There we go. Oh, there's so much flavour in that. It's actually a lot nicer than the one that I had in Valencia.
Yeah?
In that paella. Paella, sorry. Apologies to the Spanish now for the pronunciation. It almost seems like it has some herbs and spices in it, but you didn't put any.
No, nothing. It's pure natural.
Must be the taste of the ocean.
Yeah, it is. What I do is I just dig out the meat, just like this, and eat it, just. Everything is edible.
Everything is edible. That's really good to hear. So,
Norwegians doesn't tend to like or to eat the brown part, but it's getting more and more common.
oh, you thought the scallop was good. It just keeps getting better and better and better after each dish. Wow. I'm amazed, but also inspired. It might seem technical, but there's also a bit of simplicity to this, which is a style, a technique of cooking that we can all use at home. You know, one of Ocean Ark's missions is to get more seafood into people's households and onto people's plates. And as you can see, a lot of these can actually be caught. You just probably have to get yourself a fisheries license, which I know in Victoria, Australia is actually inexpensive. Yeah, but just follow the rules and the laws.
Because of the crab and all the small pieces from the seafood, that's why I rinse it. So that you don't break your teeth.
You can really smell the seafood. It's nice and creamy. The texture's really thick. Oh, that's amazing. Thank you so much for teaching us how to do it, for one, showing us your property. But I think your energy, how, you know, you've been in this industry since you were very little, and it shows. I think your love for nature, love for food, love for, I guess, you know, you want to be able to show to the world, the people that come here, your food and what you've grown up in. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for coming. And I think you describe it just the same way as I normally do, because when people ask me why I do this, then my answer is because I love people, I love nature, and I love food. And to combine that for me, that's my dream job. And that brings me so much joy and happiness, and that's why I love what I do. So I hope that you have learned, and I hope you will remember. So that's what two of my missions with this tour is.
Come and eat. Action man.
Yeah, you have to.
This has been such an incredible journey, feeling nature connected to all and everything here. If you felt anything from this video, I ask that you share it with other people. And I don't mean just sharing it around online. Here at Ocean Ark, we truly believe in connecting with others, talking to others face to face, and connecting with other people's energy. Here, we felt the essence of Mariann and her food tour. Such a beautiful place, such a beautiful country, and such beautiful food.